Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, and it's a little hard to see because you have this massive volume bar here, which kind of throws off the proportions. But today's volume, not gigantic, but definitely well above average. So a lot of eyeballs continue to watch this one, and the price is hanging in there. Things are definitely getting shaky, but like I said, I'm not willing to call the entire chart ruined. But the first thing I do want to map out here, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from a few days ago, but I put this trend line into place because I was curious, how is this going to continue to influence the chart? And as I extend that out, you can see that, you just can't make this stuff up, the power of technical analysis and trend lines. But as time has gone by, that line has continued to serve as a big old thorn in the side of the chart. So that remains that near-term level of resistance. Now, the good news is the price is very, very close to it. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean a breakout's for sure going to happen, but the price does not have to travel very far distance before it can start to do battle with that level, and then ideally get the breakout of it. But my point is that trend line remains that first key, resistance dynamic that'll need to be, crossed above if any sort of bigger movement is going to occur. If the price can break through that trend line, the next key level of resistance to keep an eye on would be that pink line there, which is the 200 period moving average, which is currently valued right there at 24 cents. As far as levels of support are concerned, I'm going to move this level down here now that we have more data points. It looks as though 22 cents is the key level. And 22 is what I would call the must-hold level, the do-or-die level. Why such dramatic terms? Well, if the price were to go down to 22 and then just fall down below it and continue to go, at that point, it would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was before the breakout. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But so far, so good. 22 cents is holding up, but that is definitely a very important level going forward. So still one day left this week. Let's see how things close out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.